welcome to today's video. If you are new here, my name is Kitty and I love subscription boxes, and my fact of the day is all that's on my mind right now is that my favorite cuisine, my favorite food is Mexican food, and Uber Eats actually helped me come up with this fact of the day. I was going to talk about something else, but they reminded me that I haven't ordered Chipotle delivery in like a whole week. I think it was like their wellness check, like, are you still alive? Like, I know Chipotle isn't like the best Mexican food out there, but it's the only thing that delivers to me, and I love it. I'm not gonna lie. I think my favorite food in the world is guacamole. Queso is like close second, but I would love to know what your favorite food is, what like type of food. I would have to say Italian's my second favorite. But yeah, so the box we're opening today is Birchbox, and you guys, they have new packaging. It's gonna be shiny. It looks like it's like plastic. You could already reuse their old boxes, but now this one makes it a little bit better. Oops, sorry. Oh my god, it already has all my fingerprints on it and scratches. So I thought there was gonna be like one of those lids that flip open, it stays on, but no. So yeah, and today we're taking it casual, filming a little late because my monthly visitors decided to show up. I'm not feeling the best, but filming always makes me feel better. So if you guys don't know, Birchbox is a monthly beauty subscription. It's $15. I will link them down below if you're interested in subscribing. One of you guys mentioned last month that there's some kind of like code, like you can get like a free gift or something. So I'll check if that's still active. If it is, I'll leave it down in the description box as well. If you guys know of any codes I don't leave there, please let us know in the comment section. So they also offer customization. You can like choose a sample every month. Sorry, my cats didn't cry all day, but you know. So you can choose a sample. You can choose one of their curated boxes. Usually there's like a clean beauty box, there's like a box curated by their editors, and then sometimes another one, and you can switch out your box for points to spend on their website, which is actually great, and they have deals all the time. Or you can get a full-size item that's featured this month, and I can't remember what I chose, but it looks like the theme is taking care of your skin can be easy. And it has like skin tips and stuff. I've been noticing like whenever I hold something up, like, at least the last video I filmed, you can't really see it, but and then on the back it lists everything that comes inside along with the full size pricing. You do get generally like sample sizes in Birchbox, but I think since they did raise the price, I say this every time, but I have to say it again, I do think they've gotten better, especially since they have so many customization options. And now we have this new box. I think I was gonna say this earlier, I don't know. Sorry, I'm so scare-brained. I don't know about you guys, but period brains are a real thing. But I was thinking this would be a good box to like store like jewelry in or your skincare in your bathroom. But I'm one of those people, if I don't see it, I like forget about it. But the first thing is a scent I really like. This is a sample by Victor and Rolf, the Flower Bomb Bloom. Wait, do I have another one? Because I've had the original and I've had the Nectar. Oh yeah, it's a twist on the classic. Oh man, my cats are so hyper, but that's good because they've been sick. It's a twist on the classic and offers an explosion of fresh flowers caressed with a breath of cool mountain air. Cool air sounds nice and hot. Why don't they ever fill these little things all the way up? So I'm gonna spray it. And by the way, Chipotle's on the way here right now. So I left my phone on just in case. You know when you like choose contactless delivery, but they still like wait there at the door? I usually like give them some time because I'm usually not properly dressed, like, and then they're standing there. I'm like, oh hi, this smells really good. Like, I'm gonna have to compare all three of them later, but this might be my favorite. Really good. Oh my god, I love it. But next up, we have a lipstick by Bare Minerals. This is the Statement Matte Liquid Lip Color. This paper, I don't know why they do that. At least you can recycle it. Oh, it's so little. Like the cap seems like the same size or bigger than the actual lipstick. And by the way, did I say this? If I did, I'll cut it out. The Victor and Rolf full size is $95. Perfume is expensive, and the Bare Minerals in the shade VIP, the full size would be $20. What was that noise? It smells like cupcakes or something. Oh, You know, one thing I wish Chipotle would have is dessert options. I don't know if they do in stores, but they don't online. This is like really creamy. It doesn't seem super matte. I'm excited to try this on my lips. I didn't really put much makeup on today. Well, I put eyeshadow on, but not really any eyeliner or lipstick, just lip liner. Should I put it on? No, it's a totally different color. Moving on, we have by Anatomicals, the Buff Stuff Citrus Body Scrub. Archer, you are hyper. I'm so glad. He's been the one that's more sick. I think I finally figured out. Oh, what was that? I still don't think he feels well, though. The full size is $5.50. Wow, that's cheap. Gotta smell it. Oh, this is like an exclusive with Birchbox. Smells like grapefruit. And there's still 3 things to go. You guys, I'm liking this box so far. And there's brands I haven't tried, like this one. And I'm not sure I've tried this either. Oh, I have. It's by Divines or Divines. It's a hair care brand. At first, I thought the name was up here, the Renaissance Circle. It's a Hopeless Hair Extreme Repair Mask made with yellow clay and babasu butter. And I like how it has this screw tab so you could, because whenever I get these packets, they're just foil ones. Like I use them multiple times. It's not that big of a deal, but it's nice when there's a closure. Since it's such like a thick consistency, I almost said what I always said. That's not a big deal. Get my mind out of the gutter. So this is full size and it's $9.50. And I love hair masks. And we have a face mask. This is by Dr. Botanicals, the PO mask, the pomegranate superfood regenerating sleeping mask. Another thing I use all the time is my nightly moisturizer. I use a sleeping mask and I think it really helps. I don't know if I've tried this one. I have the lemon food one from a different box I received recently. I haven't opened it yet. I'm trying to like use one thing at a time lately, especially after my big declutter. But the last thing in here is a hair product by Beauty Protector, the Protect and Volume Styling Spray. Ooh, I could use some more volume. You can put it on damp or dry hair. I did my hair yesterday and then I didn't end up filming because it was so late and I was like, knew someone would tell me I look tired or something, but I'm like, I probably look tired now and I slept. See how I have a mirror right below the camera. Are my curls coming back to life? Ooh, it smells really good. It smells like their detangler. Come back to life. So here's, I think this is like attached. You can probably take it off for the camera now. It seems stuck. But I don't know. Oh, mine's a little cracked. It might have been my fault. But plastic, I guess, you know, I would prefer cardboard for recycling, but I'm going to reuse it. So I hope other people find ways to reuse their box. But overall, I think it was a good box. I still can't remember if I chose a curated box or a sample. Period brain / my brain always. But I would love to know your thoughts. Can't wait to hear about your food. And I am so shocked that my Chipotle is not here yet because it said like 25 minutes. Oh, I do not disturb on. Oh, I hope they didn't call. Okay, so I placed my order 23 minutes ago. Usually they leave by now. Why am I keeping you guys? Drew is waiting to grab my order as soon as it's ready. Thanks, Drew. He looks nice. I can't wait to eat my Chipotle. That's my point here. I hope you guys enjoyed your dinner. If you guys don't have favorite food, you can tell me what you ate today. Because I love talking food. I love talking to you. Sorry I've been behind on comments and everything. 2021, like what the F? I thought you were going to be better. Still had positive thoughts. It's still the first month, first 2 weeks. But like, come on now, it's been a little tough over here. I hope yours is better. I love you guys so much. Special thanks to my channel members. You guys are the best. If you guys want to learn more about channel membership, there's always a link down below where you can learn the perks and join. I would absolutely love it if you did, but no pressure. Just by being here and watching is super helpful and supportive, and I appreciate it so much. I appreciate every single one of you. Stay safe, stay healthy. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.